Today is Thanksgiving and today we're gonna make sweet corn pudding. I have some of the ingredients and I will show it to you in a next clip. Right now we're gonna start off with 4 eggs. All the ingredients that I used in this video will be listed in the description below. If you need any help, leave a comment and I'll try my best to answer back. Thank you so much. Add the eggs into a large mixing bowl, then beat until everything is one color. Add in the creamed corn and whole kernel corn and mix until well combined. I added one 15-ounce can of whole kernel corn and two 15-ounce cans of creamed corn. Add in a half cup of unsalted butter. Add in half a cup of granulated sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Add in 1 cup of sour cream and then mix or fold in to the batter. Add in 1.5 cup of sweet cornbread mix, or if you have the package, an 8.5 ounce package of sweet cornbread mix. on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. After baking, remove from the oven and let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. Well, that's it, guys. That's how you make cornbread pudding. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you guys can leave a comment, like, and share, and we'll see each other our next video.